Prabhjot.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You are one of my oldest students.
Yes.
Okay. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Prabhjot Singh, son of Sardar Balbir Singh and my late mother.
Why?
Only your name.
Koi role nahi. Only your name.
So I am Prabhjot Singh. I am from Amritsar. I have done my graduation in law from Guru Nanak Dev University, Regional Campus, Jalandhar. I have done my post-graduation in law from Kurukshetra University. I am UGC NET qualified with JRF. I am presently pursuing PhD in law from Guru Nanak Dev University, main campus, Amritsar. And my topic of research is right to peaceful protest with special reference to farmers' protests, sir.
With special reference to?
Farmers' protests.
Oh, in PhD?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did you do your law?
I did my law in 2014, sir.
14. What have you been doing for 9 years now? Firstly, you did your...
I did your post-graduation in law from Kurukshetra University, sir.
See, you are so well qualified, you are doing your PhD.
Yes.
Don't you think that you should be a professor of law instead of a judge?
Sir,
You're more qualified to be in fact, you are overqualified for a judge.
Thank you, sir. But sir, I always aspired to be a judicial officer, but sir, I never wanted to sit idle. I sit for UGC NET and God's grace, I qualified.
You had been appearing in exam.
Sorry, sir?
You had been appearing in exam during this interval.
Yes, sir. I appeared for UGC NET and with God's grace, I qualified that and joined PhD in law.
Did you
sir.
appear for judiciary? He's asking.
Yes, sir. I appeared in judiciary also.
How many times?
Sir, I appeared in Punjab Judiciary. This is, I believe, the third attempt, sir.
So, did you not clear your mains?
Last time I disqualified an interview stage, sir.
Okay. What went wrong in your interview? What in your own assessment?
So I believe I was quite expeditious in my replies. I was
Quite?
not quite expeditious in my replies. I was not calm and slowly delivering my answers, sir.
आज तो slow बोल रहा हूँ.
Sorry, sir.
Expeditious नहीं है कि आज. आज की हुआ?
With time, I believe I
काम हो
learned
गए?
I learned my lessons, sir.
हैं?
With time, I believe I learned my lessons, sir.
Okay.
Is it first lesson?
There are many such lessons. This is one of the lessons, sir, I believe.
Okay.
थोड़ी hobbies की ने?
So in my free time, I prefer playing chess and listen Gurbani, sir.
Chess ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਖਾਨੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ?
Sir, it is 64 squares, sir.
Blind chess खेलਦੇ हो?
So I prefer playing in online mode, sir, because I don't find any person to play it
Blind
one-to-one.
chess.
Blind chess, sir. I
सुने?
haven't heard about this, sir. Sorry.
International masters खेलਦੇ ਨੇ. Blind chess is without chessboard and chessman.
Okay.
All in the mind.
Okay.
Then ਤੁਸੀਂ chess ਖੇਡ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ.
I haven't heard. Sure.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ strong ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ chess ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ?
So I believe it is the queen, sir.
You believe or you know it?
I know it, sir, because I have been playing. So
What
I
is
found
difference
it
between
queen.
knowledge and belief?
Knowledge is the assumption drawn from the facts. Believe, I believe, it doesn't support it by the
Lesser है ना?
facts. It is lesser, sir.
Knowledge ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ knowledge ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ belief ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ.
Sure, sir.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਂ ਦੱਸੋ Section 90 Evidence Act.
Yes, sir. So it deals with the presumption with respect to the documents which are 30-year-old, sir. Sir, the court may presume the correctness of the document, the genuineness of the document when the document is at the evidence stage, sir.
What is presumed?
So presumption is an inference drawn from the facts. It can be affirmative or negative.
presume ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵੀ ਇਹਦੇ handwriting ਕਿਸ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼
So
presume
it is the execution, it is the handwriting, except the contents. Rest of the things are presumed, sir, into section 90, except the contents.
It may come from anywhere, this document.
It is required to become from the lawful possession, sir. Lawful possession.
Proper custody.
Proper custody, sir. It can be even of a servant, provided he sufficiently explains the proper custody, sir.
This period of 30 years is to be counted up to what date? When the document is produced in the court?
No, sir. When it is put before the court for the evidence purposes, sir.
It is Tendered in evidence.
Tendered in evidence, sir.
Then it's witnesses need not be examined.
And when the fact is, sir, is presumed.
If it is shown that it is 30 years old coming from proper custody, then
yes, sir. Then
percy admissible ले लांगे उन्हों.
May presume, court may presume then witness is not to be examined.
वही ले आवे, ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir. The opposition need to be put forward the evidence, sir.
Any latest judgment of the Supreme Court on Section 90, just about 1 month back,
No, sir. I haven't heard about it, sir.
regarding will?
Regarding,
Anybody?
haven't heard about it.
Yes.
ये presumption वैसे रखी क्यों है?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
ਇਹਦਾ object and reason ਕੀ है? Why this presumption is given?
Sir, it is to save the time of the court, and it is to take.
Not save the time of the court. For
It is to take certain facts as proved once the collateral facts are sufficiently established before the court
If
of
you do
law.
not know it, say it. I do not know.
Okay.
30 ਸਾਲ ਚ witnesses ਮਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ.
Yes, sir.
ਅਡੀ ਉਹ
That
evidence
also.
ਲਿਆਣੀ ਪਏਗੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡੈਥ ਹੋ ਜੇ ਗਵਾਹਾਂ ਦੀ.
Difficult to
ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ handwriting ਲੰਬਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੰਮ.
Yes.
So if it is already 30 years ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ challenge ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ. These are the two
Difficult to
things.
prove before the court.
Concept ਤੁਹਾਡੇ mind 'ਚ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਹ.
Surely, sir.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਰ.
Okay. Is a foreign judgment, is it conclusive in India?
Sir, foreign judgment, the copy of the foreign judgment is conclusive
Copy
once. So foreign judgment itself has a
Photocopy?
persuasive.
Photocopy?
No, sir, it's a certified copy, sir. Once the section 14 of
13.
Civil Procedure Code,
13.
13 of Civil Procedure Code, when it's not satisfying the requirement of section 14 and not being hit by this requirements mentioned in section 14, it's
What are the
certified
requirements
copy.
in Section 14?
Sir,
14
it's-
is a presumption.
14 lays down that it should not be in ignorance of international law, not in violation of
कहाँ
Indian
लिखा
law.
है? वो 13 में लिखा है.
Okay, I'm mixing it, I believe. So it is presumption is on the certified copy, not on the photocopy or any other copy.
No, my question is a foreign judgment conclusive? Will res judicata apply?
Sir, if the parties are same and the matter is under same title and other of the
Let's take
requirements.
a hypothetical case.
Ji, sir.
A and B, A puts up A sues B in a foreign country and his suit is dismissed by a foreign court.
Yes.
He comes to India and on the same cause of action he puts up another suit. Is he allowed to do so?
Sir, Section 11 of Limitation Act deals with it that if the matter is in the foreign court and both the parties were there domiciled in that particular area of the jurisdiction of the court and the matter is dismissed on merits or adjudicated on
I told
merits,
you
then it can be
dismissed.
pleaded before the court of law. And
What is Section 13? What does it say?
that if the parties are contesting under
No, what
same
is the
title,
start of it? Is a foreign judgment conclusive or not?
it is not conclusive. It's having only persuasive
The word
value.
usage shall be conclusive. Section 13 uses the
foreign
word
judgment.
shall be conclusive.
Yes, sir.
Between the same parties,
Even same parties
under the
it
same
is.
title,
It's
on
under
the
same
same
title.
cause of action.
Yes, sir.
Unless it is hit from these clauses.
Unless it hits by
Okay.
13.
What is the
sorry.
presumption regarding a foreign judgment?
So, presumption, it is.
Anywhere given in any law?
Yeah, under section 86, I believe, sir,
Mhm.
it provides
Of-
may presumption of Indian Evidence Act.
Correct.
It provides may presumption,
Okay. And?
presumption of fact in favor of the foreign judgment, sir, and that the copy of the judgment is genuine, sir.
What about Section 14 CPC?
So 14 CPC.
This is the Supreme Court judgment which says Section 14 enlarges Section 86 of Evidence Act. Section 14 CPC enlarges Section 86. How do you explain this judgment?
Sorry, sir, I have no opinion on this, sir.
Section 86 deals only with those countries which were not a part of British Commonwealth,
Okay.
whereas 14 deals with every court.
Okay. Sir.
And secondly, it is basically the presumption is that it was passed by a competent court.
Yes, sir.
That is okay. Now, Can a witness excuse himself from answering a question when a court has asked him a question on the ground that this will incriminate him?
Sir, Section 132 of Indian Evidence Act expressly stops a witness from making any such pleading by giving him privilege that.
But isn't it against by Article 20?
But sir, the proviso to the same section provides him protection that he will not be criminated or will be liable to any penalty in case he answers that, sir.
Okay, fine. What is the doctrine of reasonable classification?
Sir, Article 14 deals with the right to equality, sir. But sir, equality can be among equals. Thus, the doctrine of reasonable classification has been drawn where the classification should have the nexus with the object sought to be achieved. Once this test is satisfied, even the reasonable classification is satisfied even in the presence of Article 14, sir.
Can there be reasonable classification in favor of one person?
Yes, sir. If the one person forms a class, then there can be reasonable classification in favor of one person also, sir.
Okay. Have you been also pursuing have you taken any other job except teaching? I mean, except
how you earn your livelihood?
How you earning your livelihood?
So I'm doing the PhD in law as a junior research fellow. I'm entitled to the scholarship from the UGC, sir.
Where will you?
No, but you have also been selected as DD.
Yes, I'm recommended as a deputy district attorney, but haven't received the appointment letters.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It goes in your favor.
Punjab Public Service Commissions.
Kadon?
On 3rd of March 2023.
Essay?
The result was declared.
I think you should bring it up. It goes in your favor.
Okay.
Yes. That I had appeared for DDA, but sir, my ultimate aim was to become a judge.
Okay.
So take it, because this goes in your favor that you have cleared a competition.
Okay.
Your question.
So, with respect to your PhD topic,
Yes, ma'am.
so do you think that the fundamental freedom of speech and expression also includes right to, like, the freedom to dissent?
Yes, ma'am. Since Article 19(1)(b) impliedly deals with assemble peaceably without arms, so it includes that the stakeholders of a particular law, since law is to, ma'am, operate in society. If the stakeholders doesn't find it fit to their requirements, they can register their disagreement by raising the protest in a peaceful manner, ma'am.
Okay, can you highlight any judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in which the court has explicitly held that the freedom of speech and expression includes right to dissent as well?
Ma'am, I can refer to a judgment which is collateral to this, that is Amit Sahni versus Commissioner of Police, where the Honorable Supreme Court mentioned the right to peaceful protest is there, but this right should not cause discomfort to the others' fundamental rights and should not can continue incessantly at a public places, ma'am.
Okay, what is the nature of your study? Is it like going to be analytical?
Ma'am, it is both. It is on a survey based from the persons who were due to these protests had to lose the job, and also to consider the historical aspects of the protests, ma'am.
Okay, so are you going to cover only the farmers from the state of Punjab or as well as Haryana as well, or other states as well?
Ma'am, my area of research limits to the state of Punjab only.
Okay. So can a court interfere and pass interim relief while arbitration proceedings are going on?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can a court interfere and pass interim relief while arbitration proceedings are going on?
Ma'am, interim relief, I believe, in my opinion, has a relation to prevent the ends of justice being defeated. Thus, if it is a fit case, then interim relief can be passed, ma'am.
That will also.
Why do you want to become a judge?
Sir, the reputation, the dignity which this post carry, along with the satisfaction which
don't
is.
you think becoming a teacher or a professor of law has no dignity? I think it has more dignity than a judge.
So it has dignity, but sir, the sense of satisfaction
Judge
which.
cannot make teachers. A teacher can make judges.
Yes, sir, it is equally correct, sir. But sir, the sense of satisfaction which a judicial officer gets.
You are creator of judges in this capacity.
Yes, sir. I fully acknowledge this fact, sir.
ਕਿ ਟੌਰ ਟੱਪਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ
No, sir, the sense of satisfaction which a judicial officer gets by imparting justice.
ਕਮਰ ਟੇਢੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ
I acknowledge this
Very
fact, sir.
Prabhjot, I think what is lacking is, firstly, there is a lack of energy in you.
Okay.
Secondly, never keep your legs closed.
Okay.
Sit with class friends.
Okay.
You know what I feel is that there was lack of energy, and there is a boredom which comes in. So be more full of energy. And I know you personally, so I know you know your law very well. You have been one of my best students.
Yes.
But in your interview, we can't see that you were one of the best students of mine.
Okay, sir.
That confidence, those conceptual clarities are not coming forth.
Okay, sir.
I mean, had I not known you, so I would definitely have. You have not scored very well. You are scoring 85 marks out of 150.
ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 130 ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਸੀ
You
with
should
your
have.
qualification,
Yes.
with your time which you spent on the subject. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਬਦਲੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰੋ
Yes.
Okay.
ਹੱਸ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਓ
This is wrong.
Don't be a dukhi Ram.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
I just.
I know you. That's why I'm.
ਕੱਪੜੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਹੈ
Hanji.
Be
I
happy,
prefer
cheerful.
remaining calm. Just simply, I
So
don't
it's
remain
ਆਮ ਤਾਂ
depressed.
ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਹੋਣਾ
It's the PhD factor.
ਮੈਨੀਫੈਸਟ ਕਰਨਾ
No, I
ਤੁਸੀਂ
know him.
ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਾ
He's my
ਪੌਜ਼
oldest
ਲੈ
student.
ਕੇ
You know,
whenever
usually
question
PhD
is being
students, they
asked,
just go in this
take
phase.
some time, formulate the answer in your mind, ਛੋਟੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਮ ਅਪ ਛੇਤੀ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਪ ਬਰੀਫਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ
Okay.
ਆਪਾਂ ਲੰਬੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੰਬਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ
Okay, sir.
ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 1 ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 2 ਪੁਆਇੰਟ 3 5 ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਚ ਜਵਾਬ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ PhD ਵਾਲਾ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ
conceptual clarity भी cut हो गई है.
Okay.
थोड़ा brush up
section
कर लो
90
सारे
थे,
ना।
90 थे you were not at all clear.
Yes.
I mean section 90 and you are not even aware of the latest judgment on
ਥੋੜਾ
90.
ਲੇਟੈਸਟ ਜਜਮੈਂਟ
90
ਬ੍ਰਸ਼ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਕਨਸੈਪਟਸ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ
Yes.
ਨਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਥੋੜਾ ਰਿਵਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਡੇਲੀ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਵਾਈਜ਼
Surely, sir.
ਕੁਝ
I should.
Best of
ਕਾਫੀ
luck,
ਮਿਹਨਤ
brother.
ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ
Surely, sir. I shall.
Go with lot of energy. I have nothing to lose now.
Yes,
You're
sir.
already a DDA. You're already a PhD. कुछ ना कुछ तो है ही हाथ में.
Yes, sir.
So बिंदास होके जाओगे.
ਰਾਜੂ ਗੁਪਤਾ ਜੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ 'ਚ
No, Jameet Kaur Teji, ma'am.
ਨਹੀਂ ਸ਼ੀ ਮਸਟ ਬੀ ਹੈਡਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਬੋਰਡ
Yes. Hanji.
ਵਾਸ ਦੀ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ
जी, मैं वो नाम तो नहीं पता, but I believe.
ਟਿੰਡ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੀਗੇ
हाँ जी.
ਹਾਂ ਬਸ
It is. It is. It is. It is. It
Sir was also sitting in the board.
ਆਈ ਵਾਸ ਇਨ ਦੀ ਅਦਰ ਬੋਰਡ
Okay. I was in Jameet Kaur Teji, ma'am.
ਉਹੀ ਮੈਂ
board.
ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਵਾਸ ਵਿਦ ਦੀ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ
Okay. sir. With Group A and Group B.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਨਾ ਖੁਸ਼ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ
हाँ जी.
ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ
I prefer staying calm.
ਖੇੜੇ
That's the
'ਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ
reason
ਹੁੰਦਾ
why.
ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਉਦਾਸੀ ਦੇ ਆਲਮ 'ਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ
Actually, मैं हूँ नहीं उदास वैसे. But it
ਮੈਨੂੰ
might
ਥੋੜੀ
give.
ਪਤਾ ਜੋ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਦੱਸ
ਜੀ।
ਸਕਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੜ ਕੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ
I fully
ਜੋ
agree,
ਤੁਸੀਂ
sir.
ਮੈਨੀਫੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ that will come
Yes.
you see all students ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਦੇ ਅੱਡ your face is index of your mind
Yes, sir.
So just be cheerful and go with the killer instinct.
Okay.
Bas.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਖੋ ਕੀ ਲੈਣਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
PhD ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋ ਲੈਕਚਰਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਓ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਡਿਪਟੀ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਅਟਾਰਨੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਨਥਿੰਗ ਇਜ਼ ਐਟ ਸਟੇਕ
Yes, sir.
ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਯਰ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਡ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਐਲੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਥੋੜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ ਨਾ
But then, sir, kindly provide me
ਸ਼ਾਦੀ
some.
ਹੋ ਗਈ
No, sir.
ਆਹੀ ਧੱਕਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ
Not at all. Just
I was about to say.
answer to this very question. If they ask that teacher produce judges, but judges, what do I reply, ma'am, to this?
This question is to me.
Um,
So he's
Because
asking.
this is correct but I have liking for particular thing liking ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ
Hanji.
I will prefer that
Okay.
don't
Yes.
have a right to choose fundamental right ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ
Hanji.
ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਮੁੱਛ ਮਰੋੜ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣੀ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਚੋਇਸ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ?
Okay,
ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼
okay.
ਯੂਰ ਸਵੀਟ ਵਿਲ।
Yeah, I want to
ਨੋਬਡੀ
be
ਕੈਨ
judicial.
ਫੋਰਸ ਯੂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਣਾ,
Okay, sir.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਟਾ ਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਦਾ।
Sure.
ਐਸੇ ਟੈਂਪਰਾਮੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ।
And so same with the deputy district attorney, that if you so that you have secure job, why you're going for
ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਹੌਲੀ
second?
ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹੋ, ਵੌਇਸ ਦਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਥੋੜਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ
Okay.
ਉੱਚਾ।
ਉੱਚਾ।
ਕਦੇ ਬੜਕ ਮਾਰੀ ਹੈ? ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਕ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਰਨੀ ਆਉਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਫਿਰ ਜੇ ਲੜਨਾ ਪਵੇ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੜੋਗੇ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ? ਦੁਸ਼ਮਣ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਡਰੇਗਾ ਫਿਰ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ।
ਫਿਰ
See, they ask you that you already have a DDA job under your belt. Say, sir, my aim was always, this is just a stepping stone, because I always wanted to achieve my final goal, which
final
was
goal is this.
judge.
This, okay.
But
These
meanwhile,
are
whatever
stepping-
competition you got chance to
You are
appear,
appearing.
you appear and you cracked them.
Yes.
Okay.
Pass.
Surely, sir.
All the best, Prabhjot.
ਉਹ
This
ਬਿੱਲੀਆਂ
time.
ਬੁੱਲੀਆਂ ਮਾਰ ਲਈਆਂ, ਹੁਣ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਥੋੜਾ
ਹਾਂ।
ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗਣਾ, ਐਵੇਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਰਨਾ ਉਸਨੇ।
Surely, sir. Surely.
ਉਠੋ ਫਿਰ, ਸ਼ਾਬਾਸ਼,
Sure.
ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.